something?
Yes. Everybody's looking weird.
That's a great idea, Yasmina.
Yeah. To the kitchen.
Let's go make cookies.
Let's go now.
Okay, to continue the recipe, we will put 2 eggs, okay? And if you prefer, we could also put 1 yogurt, but we don't have to, okay? It's a taste matter. Okay, we will open.
What is the jam for?
This is jam, strawberry jam, and we use it to decorate the cookies from the middle, so you can stick 2 together.
Are we going to have to use it?
We don't have to.
Like you can not
It's an option.
jam.
It's just an option for you. I have also some chocolate chips for the chocolate variety, so that you can put on the chocolate chips small pieces of chocolate, okay? Okay, as you see, the butter is very soft, okay? It has to be soft. It doesn't have to be liquid. Okay, can you start?
Fine.
And you can choose now the patterns you like. Have you put some flour on the table?
I did. Oh, the table.
Yes.
Wow.
So that it doesn't stick.
It's snowing.
It's okay. It's okay. This one will not mind.
كل حد يتك عليه.
It's fine, you want.
يلا بس خلصوا يعني.
Did you get it?
The chocolate chips are so cute. It is not even bigger than my nail. The biggest.
But how big do you want the chocolate chip to be?
This big, if you don't mind.
Can you like Hershey's Kisses?
I love it. Look at it.
The cookies are out of the oven and we finished them.
It's the first plate, and the other is now in the oven. Let's see.
Can I eat one? Just make sure I'm hungry. Okay.
They look very delicious, right?
Yeah.
They have to be golden, as you see, at the edges. The brown ones you can't see if they are finished or not, because they are very dark.
Yeah.
Really?
You can taste one if you want.
Oh, thank you.
It's a little hot.
Hot potato, hot potato.